Hello and welcome. In today's video we'll be talking about how to service and maintain your CP sprayer to make sure that it will spray effectively and efficiently every time you use it. When it comes time to maintaining your CP sprayer, it is recommended to follow the basic steps given in this video. It is recommended to always flush the tank with fresh water after every use. When it comes to servicing and maintaining your CP, the first thing you should do is remove the blue cap from the top of the sprayer and check the filter inside, and clean if necessary. Then unscrew the trigger strainer and clean. Failing to keep this filter clean will eventually result in poor spraying pressure and performance. Next, unscrew the nozzle housing and gently remove the nozzle. Do not use any hard tools to remove nozzle, as this can damage the orifice of the nozzle. Damaging this can cause the sprayer to spray inaccurately and inefficiently. Next, you want to check the hose cap is still attached firmly to the back of the sprayer to make sure there is no leakage and wastage of chemicals. Unscrew and check the washers on the spigot. Gently use a pair of long nose pliers if necessary to pull the spigot out of its housing. The spigot has 3 O-rings, one big one at the top and 2 small ones at the bottom. It is important to replace the 2 small rings if they are worn or damaged, as they help keep the pressure of the system and will cause the trigger to leak. The trigger spring must also be checked. If it loses its tension, it may cause the trigger to stick and or not function at all. Also very important, chemicals need to be mixed properly with regards to powdered chemicals. It is very important to make sure they are mixed and or agitated properly. If not, it cakes up into the cylinder lining and will eventually stop the 2 valves from working properly. Results of this is you will get a very inconsistent spray and the arm strainer will become hard to operate. Underneath the sprayer is where the diaphragm pump is located. In order to remove this clamp ring, you will need a Phillips star screwdriver, as the clamp is held in place with 7 star screws. First, remove the arm strainer, then the bearings will slide off and the crank will unclip. Undo the screws and remove the clamp. Once the clamp is removed, pull out the diaphragm with the white cylinder. Check the rubber O-ring at the top of the cylinder and replace it if necessary. Next, check the diaphragm for cracks and wear that could lead to the leaking, poor performance and not able to keep the sprayer pressurized. Check the cylinder valves that there is no obstructions and that they are working properly, and check for chemical buildup in the cylinder lining. Next, check the cavity is clean and the ring is not damaged. If damaged, this will cause the system to not seal properly and therefore not keep the sprayer pressurized. To remove the pressure control system at the top, you must unclip the relief valve cap. Then undo the black nut and push the white tube in. It will come out the bottom of the tank. Then check the flat washer on the tube to ensure it's not damaged or worn. If not replaced, it will cause the system to lose pressure. Therefore, the sprayer will function incorrectly. It is advised to change the washer whenever major maintenance is done to the sprayer. Check that the spring, the disc and the holder that sits inside the chamber are in good working order, and replace if necessary. If the disc is damaged, it must get changed. If the disc holder is pitted and does not sit properly in the spring, it also must be changed. If you are experiencing low pressure, check these two things first. If the problem persists, then you will need to open up the bottom and inspect the diaphragm as well. Thank you for watching this short video on how to service and maintain your CP sprayer.